What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below, we're coming to you with a BOXY CHARM Base Box for the month of January. It is the first box of the year. If you guys haven't seen my previous videos or weren't watching during Vlogmas, I did go ahead and skip Ipsy for this month. I just wasn't really interested in getting another box that had like duplicate products. And I'm also glad that I did skip it because I saw my friend Alicia reveal hers, and there was a duplicate product which I already have, which I'll tell you guys about here in a second. And then there was a new product that she did get that I was kind of interested in, but whatever. It's the box that she got in PR anyways from Ipsy. If you guys are interested in seeing it, I will link it down below for you guys. You should definitely go check her out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this video, be a thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Give me a big thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. And let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, I already know that my glasses are going to have a little bit of a glare today. I was not feeling contacts, but I also really wanted to do this like fun, neutral, like dewy, like natural, I guess not neutral, natural dewy look today. But I wanted to wear my new glasses, and I've been really loving wearing these. So they're really fun and cute. I don't know what kind of glasses style these are, but then they also have like little cutouts on the sides so the full glass doesn't go fully around the rim. So I think that's kind of cool. It has a little bit of cat eye effect. But yeah, I got them from Costco. Love them so much. Anyways, you guys are here to see the BOXY CHARM Box. For those of you who haven't been here before, I do post videos 2 to 3 times a week, sometimes even more than that. Just depends on what's going on in my life and I've got more time to film. Also, I do giveaways every single month. I do giveaways for my subscription box unboxings, so you definitely want to stay until the end of this box to see what I might be giving away in the end of January. So to make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe down below because that is the bare minimum thing that you have to do in order to be a part of these giveaways. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump into this. So again, we've got BOXY CHARM Base Box, always pink inside, standard size box we always get. Those protected with foam and paper just to make sure that we've got, you know, protection for our products. I will tell you right off the bat, there is a duplicate product that this is now the 3rd time that I've received this, because once I got it in BOXY CHARM already, 2nd time now I've already got it in oh my god, I can't think. 2nd time I got it in Ipsy, and now this is the 3rd time. They already went ahead and sent me a coupon for me to use, but I think, so it wasn't even that much though. I feel like it was like $6, which I feel like is really stupid, but at the same time, they allow you to use it in the 70% off sale, so yay and nay. But it is the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Palette. I do already own this. This is what it looks like. It is a cream blush and then a highlighter. So this product right here, I can already tell you right now, it's going to go into my collection because I actually had a friend that really wanted this. And I already gave away the one the last time, so when I got it the 2nd time in a giveaway. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that off to the side because I do have a friend that would really like that. Then we have this item by Touch and Soul. It is the Waterful Glow Cream. Ooh, that sounds amazing. I love anything that has to do with skincare, moisturizing, and especially if it has like a water type to it. I've been loving really like the water gels or anything that's like super hydrating. It has a really nice, like, almost like floral citrus smell to it. I feel like I want to feel this. Ooh, okay, that's really nice. I'd put that on our hand really quickly. Oh yeah, that is a very hydrating on our hands. Like, I can already just see how it's just nourishing my hands just themselves. And they need a little bit of nourishment. But yeah, that feels amazing. Wow, I can only imagine. And it's just like melting into the skin. Like, wow, so good. Okay, so I'm super excited for that item. Then we did get an item from Item Beauty. This is the Quip QUIP stick moisturizing lip color, and the color Feels. So that's exciting. This is what it looks like. I have owned a few products by Iron Beauty that I really do like, but I didn't know that she had this. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Really nice feel to it. Oh, it has like a nice like sheen to it too, like a lip gloss kind of feel, or just like a shine. So love that. Really, really pretty color, up my alley. I do love dark neutral shades. This is the shade that I'm wearing on my lips right now, is like a terracotta like orangey shade, which I really do love. This is actually from the Harry Potter and ColourPop collection. It is the Ron Weasley one, and I love this shade so much. It's so good, but this looks really, really nice. Love that. So we're doing all right in this box so far. So far, so good. Then we've got this Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer, True and Luscious. It's in the shade Light Nude. I don't need an eyeshadow primer right now at the moment because I actually just have the ones from P. Louise that I picked up recently before the Morphe stores decided to close their brick and mortars, because I got it when I was in Vegas at their Morphe store. And I do love the P. Louise one. So this can definitely go to a better home because I don't have a use for it because they're brand new. Then the last product in here we have is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. This is in the shade Ebony, which this actually was the product that I picked for this month. So yeah, there's that. So I'm excited. So far we've got a few products I actually really, really do like. Besides, obviously the Natasha Denona is still a good product that we got it. I just wish it would have been a different Natasha Denona product and not a repeat. But I mean, other than that, I'm actually very satisfied. The Item Beauty product, the Touch and Soul, the Dip Brow by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let's just see what the brush looks like. It is a very slim brush. Let me go ahead and put this down really quickly. It is a very like small, slim brush, so it should work. It should work very well for me. Now again, I did choose the color Ebony because it should be like a blackish brown shade, obviously because of my hair. So this one should work very, very well for me. I'm excited to use this. Lately, I've been actually using the NYX Thickening Brow Mascara. This is just in the shade Black. I kind of blend it with black and brown together. I have both of them in here, I think. At least I thought I did, because I was blending them both, and then the brown shade was just too light. So that's why I went more for the black one. But this is supposed to be Ebony, which is like a blackish brown, so that one should work out very well for me. So let's just go ahead and add this all together really quickly. So I've got the Touch and Soul, which is $38, Natasha Denona, which is $42. So that right there is already $80 added together. Then you've got $20 for the Anastasia, so it's $100. And then $22 for the Angel Primer, so it's $122. And then $16 for the Item Beauty Moisturizing Lip Color, comes out to $138. We are supposed to get over $125 value, which again, these boxes, I forget how much they cost. I think they're like $28 now, pushing $30, somewhere in there. I've got a video coming up soon where basically I'm pretty much adding up everything, how much money I spent in the year of 2022 on makeup products, including my subscription boxes. And obviously these boxes are a little bit costly, but you do get your bang for the buck out of it, which is why it allows me to thrive with the makeup collection that I do have on top of the products that I already buy. So there is that. But yes, so that is everything that we got in this box. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video, which will be on BOXY CHARM Premium Box. Now in February, I will be getting the Ipsy Glam Bag X, which I'm actually really excited for that one. So definitely stay tuned for that. And then, yeah, so obviously then the BOXY CHARM Premium Box, I will let you guys know if I'm doing a giveaway or not. Also, I do have a bunch of other products I can obviously put into the giveaway if there's not enough that I get out of just these 2 boxes, because normally I unbox 3 boxes, but this month it's just going to be 2 because I wanted to save some money, because I also canceled a few subscriptions in different places, or basically like skipped a month more or less in that sense. So there is that. So again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. You guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you guys never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to go ahead and let me know in the comments down below if you got this box. Did you guys get anything good? What were your thoughts on it? I gotta know. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!